Hey guys, it's Wyatt. Hoping you are having a good day. I'm here with my friend Caleb. And I know it's been a while since I made a video, but today we are going to venture up to this waterfall that we have found. So, I'm going to be recording this whole experience, so let's get up to the trail. Alright guys, so we're here at the gate. Oh, and there's another dog. So, I don't know if you guys can see, but the waterfall... you can't see it. You can barely see it. But the waterfall is just right up there on the hill. I can get this unlocked. There. Caleb, if you would, shut the gate. Alright, so from this point, we're going to be recording this whole thing. Why are you eating a Snickers on a YouTube video? No idea.
Yum.
Alright. So, usually we just go, well, we're just going to go out through here on the creek because it's the easiest. Well, some parts are hard, just like this. If I drop this tablet, I'm screwed. Woo! Come on, Caleb. Let's do it. Come on. Okay. Let's go. It's pretty hard holding the camera and doing this, but I'm doing this for you guys, alright? And I want you to know that. Power through. Wait till you're finished with. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see it, but the waterfall is just right up there. And yeah, Caleb's gonna take the camera. Alright. Let's go. Oh yeah, guys, you can walk on this, I think, that we're holding this. Oh, well, it's pretty rotten, but it's pretty sturdy. Come on, Caleb, get on here. Oh my God, we're sitting on the freaking thing. Oh hey, it's tree sap. Ooh, it's tree sap. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's tree sap right there. All right, so let's get up there. You guys see it yet? Woo! Oh, by the way, most of these rocks up here are sandstones, so which means if we, under that waterfall, if we break a lot of it off, it's most likely going to collapse on us. So, which means we have to be very cautious for any breaking pieces.
Did this just fall down? This wasn't here before. Yeah, this just fell down.
What?
The last time we came, this wasn't down like that. It was up right there. That's where it used to be. Oh.
Guys? What?
There's nothing that could possibly knock it down. The wind couldn't knock it down. It was.
It could have been a big water flow from yesterday.
Well.
Oh God, I don't know if I trust that. Who cares?
But that's not very likely.
Could have.
Well, it's not very likely.
Guys, I just found a cave right up there. I just found a cave. We gotta go see that. Oh yeah, there's the waterfall. It's a tiny one. It's still a waterfall. By the way, I'm gonna bring you guys up here during the winter because it's so awesome during the winter. I mean,
Everything freezes.
I know, and the water's frozen to icicles. Yeah, it's amazing.
It becomes an ice cave.
Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see the cave up there. No, you can't, because YouTube makes it a lot darker. Whoa. Alright. Oh, something's been up here before us. There's already a path leading up to the cave.
Oh.
Might be a bear.
Or a fox. You know there are a lot of foxes around these parts.
Yeah, I know. Oh! Oh!
Something must have just made this cave. We didn't see it here before.
Okay, we can't get up to it. I mean, we could, but holding this camera is just going to make it twice as hard. But I am doing this for you guys. So, hope you guys are enjoying so far. Yeah, there it is. This probably isn't as fun as a video as you guys are used to from me, from my energy and stuff. From, you know, like the Weirdness Has Began videos. Oh yeah, go check out all my other videos. They might be better than this one. I just got bored, so I wanted to record one. Oh, there's water on the screen. Look at that. Why are you drinking that? Someone might have peed in that.
So?
Oh yeah, see? So, yeah, all of this is super loose, as you can see. I'm just picking pieces off. Oh, here's a big piece.
How about this piece?
No! But yeah, this is sandstone, so guys, watch this. Yep. It all just breaks apart and... Oh, this rock is slippery. Oh.
I found a sieve.
What?
A sieve.
A shoe? Oh. Let's go up here, if I can, and not fall like I'm about to. It's pretty hard with the camera. Caleb, you coming?
Yeah.
Whoa! I'm making it. Look how steep this is, guys. Whoa.
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 This is really dangerous.
I know.
Especially not holding a camera.
Alright, there we go. At a tree right here. Caleb, be coming. It's a wild Caleb. Let's try and get on top of the waterfall. Oh, fine, you record me. You hold the camera. Do not hit that button.
Okay.
Alright, let's try this. I'm crawling the whole way. Oh God, and the dogs just make it look so easy.
Yeah. Why aren't you doing that?
Whoa,
Slipping?
Come on. All you do is get grip. Going right there at that tree.
Okay. Don't follow me. tree.
I'm slipping. Okay, I got a hold of the tree.
Okay, hang on.
I've got a sneak attack.
Wyatt, stay right there for now. Gotta go down and, and show them how high up you are.
Okay. That hurt?
Yep.
If I fall now, I'm going to get myself seriously injured. Well, I'm doing it. That's for you guys.
He's even higher than that, but I just don't want to slip anymore. What? What?
Oh, I'm above it. I can start to go down now. Oh, wait. One problem. How am I going to get down?
Jump!
I ain't jumping. Hey, that dog can.
Yeah.
Chewy.
Chewy will jump. Hey, found a little hidey
And
hole.
I'm on it.
I found a hidey hole. Get back down here so you can see the hidey hole.
Whoa, guys. It's super slippery.
Get off of there.
I'm getting right there. But I'm getting down for it. Am I standing above the rock?
No.
Am I outside of the rock where it's hanging now?
You're like right next. You're like right on where it's hanging.
Ooh! I
That's-
felt it hanging there.
Yeah, that's where it's
It's
hanging.
cracking.
Oh!
It's cracking.
What? You don't want to stay on it?
Ooh! Okay, I'm getting off. Oh, God.
Why are you getting off?
There's a slight issue. I can't get off.
Why
I
not?
can't climb up.
Well, hey, Wyatt, get over near the egg so I can hand the camera to you.
No. You control the camera.
I can't see you. Barely see you.